our first news bulletin of 2024, brought to you by the students for the students of Shemrock School. May you have a May full of achievements and learning. Today, we are going to share with you all the action from our school campus. So stay tuned as we bring the stories that shape our school's vibrant culture.
Shemrock School launches its new academic year with an interactive orientation ceremony. The new academic year kicked off with an interactive orientation ceremony on March 30th, 2024. Our principal, Ms. Praneet Sohal, introduced the school's focuses on academic excellence, character building, and holistic education. Ms. Harjot Abroy introduced the school's ethos and updated curriculum through an interactive PowerPoint presentation. Attendees seeked valuable insight into the academic facilities provided at Shemrock School.
On 1st April 2024, Shemrock School welcomed the future defenders of our nation, the new cadets of Class 11 who have joined the Maharaja Ranjit Singh Armed Forces Preparatory Institute. The day was marked by patriotism and high spirits as Mr. Amarjit Singh Bajwa, Honorable Chairman of Oakfields and Shemrock Group of Schools, delivered a motivational speech, encouraging our cadets to embrace the challenges ahead with courage and determination. Our principal, Ms. Praneet Sohal, and the school counsellor, Ms. Atula Gautam, extended warm wishes and providing insights into our school's enriching environment.
Ms. Harleen Kaur leads technical training for Safal in Ludhiana. We are proud to announce that Ms. Harleen Kaur was selected as a resource person to conduct a prestigious technical training session under the structured assessment for analyzing learning Safal held on April 10, 2024 at Kundan Vidya Mandir Senior Secondary School in Ludhiana. Ms. Kaur worked alongside CBSE resource person Mr. Manjeet Singh to guide approximately 100 teachers from across Punjab. The training focused on utilizing Safal, a diagnostic tool designed by CBSE to assess and enhance student competences in language, mathematics and environmental sciences across grade 3rd, 5th and 8th.
Shemrock students shine at Innovation and Entrepreneurship Bootcamp. Deepkamal and Swati from Class 10 attended the Innovation, Design and Entrepreneurship Bootcamp on April 9th and 10th at CGC Chandigarh, Mohali, accompanied by their mentors Ms. Rajni Sharma and Ms. Renu Padam. This dynamic bootcamp was dedicated to unlocking the creative potential of its participants, focusing on the core principles of innovation and design thinking.
On April 12, 2024, our school grounds turned into a vibrant celebration of Baisakhi, marking the joyous harvest festival with an explosion of colors and excitement. The students from kindergarten, particularly the UKG class, took the lead in bringing the essence of this important cultural event to life right here at Shemrock School Mohali. Our young stars showcased the significance of Baisakhi through a captivating audio-visual presentation during a special assembly which was a feast for the senses. It was a day filled with unity and joy as our students immersed themselves in the festive spirit, embracing the rich cultural heritage and the blessings of the harvest.
Shemrock School recently hosted the Silver Zone International Olympiad, Science Olympiad Foundation SOF, and Green Olympiad, spotlighting our students' academic prowess in sciences and environmental awareness. School principal Ms. Praneet Sohal honored the young achievers in 2 special ceremonies inside the auditorium. The celebrations were documented with the result sheet and photographs, capturing the spirits of these intellectual contests and impressive achievements of our students.
At the Maharaja Ranjit Singh Armed Forces Preparatory Institute in Mohali, the graduation ceremony for the 12th class was a momentous occasion, attended by distinguished guests including Mr. Amarjit Singh Bajwa, Chairman of Shemrock and Oakfields Group of Schools. This ceremony marked a significant milestone for Shemrock MRS AFPI joint venture, which combines rigorous academic and physical training to prepare cadets for careers in the defense forces. The event celebrated the exceptional achievements of the cadets across various disciplines. Awards were presented for outstanding performance in academics, discipline, leadership, sports, and physical training. Notably, Cadet Jobanjit Singh received trophies for Best in Sports and Best in Outdoors, showcasing his all-round capabilities.
On April 19, 2024, Shemrock School Mohali hosted its Achievers Award ceremony for 2023-24 session, celebrating academic and attendance achievements. The ceremony, featuring retired Brigadier K.D. Singh as their chief guest, began with a traditional lamp lighting and performances of the national song and the school Shabad by choir. Brigadier Singh's speech inspired the students to strive for excellence in their fields. Principal Ms. Praneet Sohal expressed gratitude to Brigadier Singh for his motivational address. During the ceremony, 60 students from classes 6 to 10 received academic excellence presented by Brigadier Singh and coordinator Ms. Harjot Oberoi. Additionally, Mr. Karan Bajwa and Ms. Praneet Sohal awarded nearly 90 students for perfect attendance, highlighting their commitment and dedication.
Shemrock School hosts screening of Rab Di Awaz, India's first multi-inclusive Hindi featured film, in an event for students from classes 6 to 10. The film was known for its powerful narrative and performances, promotes inclusivity across cultural and societal lines. The screening was enriched by the presence of Mr. Ojasvi Sharma, award-winning director, and lead actors Mr. Abhinav Sharma and Mr. Varun Narang. Their interactions with students highlighted the importance of empathy and diversity in art.
Thank you for tuning into our first news bulletin of 2024. I am Saras Verma and I am signing out for now till next month. Thanks for watching.